Hi, it's Teacher Corrine. Welcome to Learn from Home. Today, we will learn how to add numbers within 1000. Let's begin. When adding numbers, place value is very important. So, remember that we use a unit for the ones, a rod for the tens, and a flat for the hundreds. So when we say 5 ones or 5, it is represented by 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now when we say 3 tens or 30, it is represented by 3 rods. 1, 2, 3, or 10, 20, and 30. And when we say 200s or 200, it is represented by 2 flats. 1, 2, or 100, 200. So that is 200 plus 30 plus 5 equals 235. Hundreds, tens, and ones. Now let's move on. Alright, so here's an example. If we say 469, it means 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 4 hundreds, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This also means that the value of 4 is 400. The value of 6 is 60, and the value of 9 is 9. So 400 plus 60 plus 9 equals 469. Here's another example. 718. It means 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 10. 1. And 7 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This also means that the value of 7 is 700, the value of 1 is 10, and the value of 8 is 8. So 700 plus 10 plus 8 equals 718. There are many strategies in adding numbers, but in this video, I will be showing you 3 strategies. The first strategy is called place value. You will need to draw a simple place value chart like this, with ones, tens, and hundreds columns. Now let's use a number sentence as an example. 122 plus 31 equals blank. So let's assign 122 on the first row and 31 on the second row. 122 has 2 ones. 1, 2. 2 tens. 1, 2. And 100. 1. While 31 has 1 unit. 1. And 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. Do we need a flat for 31? No. Now, we can add the flats, the rods, and the units. Let's start first with the ones. 2 and 1 make 3. Now the tens. 2 and 3 make 5. Then lastly, the hundreds. 1 and 0 is 1. So 122 plus 31 equals 153. The second strategy that I will be teaching you is called the expanded way. We will use the same number sentence, which is 122 plus 31 equals blank. So first, we need to show the value of each digit. How do we do that? I'll show you. Let's start with 122. 122 is 100 plus 20 plus 2. 31 is 30 plus 1. Now we are ready to add them. 100 plus 0 is 100. 20 plus 30 is 50. 2 and 1 make 3. And that makes 153. So we say 122 plus 31 equals 153. You can choose whichever strategy you like to use. The answer will still be the same. But let me show you one more strategy. It's called the number bonds strategy. Let's still use the same number sentence. 122 plus 31 equals blank. I'm using black color for the hundreds, blue for the tens, and red for the ones, because we will need to add the ones together, then the tens, then the hundreds. So first, the ones. 1 and 2 make 3. Then the tens. 2 and 3 make 5. Then finally, the hundreds. 1 and 0 make 1. So 122 plus 31 equals 153. If you think you need more time to practice these addition strategies, please go ahead and review this part again. Once you are ready, you may continue with the video tutorial. Now you are ready for some practice exercises. Step 1, get ready with your pencil, eraser, and paper. Step 2, click pause while you are answering the exercises. And step 3, click to continue the video once you are done answering. Choose any strategy that you wish to use to answer the items below. Take as much time as you need. You may now click the pause button. Now that you're done answering, let's find out the answers. You may mark your own work. Letter A. 65 plus 321 equals 386. Letter B. 182 plus 16 equals 198. Letter C. 123 plus 20 equals 143. Letter D. 78 plus 820 equals 898. Letter E. 253 plus 540 equals 793. Letter F. 805 plus 152 equals 957. Letter G. 102 plus 793 equals 895. And lastly, letter H. 47 plus 720 equals 767. Well done. On this slide, you will still need your pencil, eraser, and paper. Again, click pause while you are answering the word problem. Then click to continue the video once you are done answering. Again, choose any strategy that you wish to use to answer the word problem. Take as much time as you need. And now you may click the pause button. Now that you're done answering, let's find out how many pieces of fried chicken both moms donated. You may mark your own work. Here, I'm using the number bonds strategy. We might not have the same strategy, and that's not a problem at all. So, 212 plus 320 equals blank. I'll add the ones first, then the tens, then the hundreds. So, 2 and 0 make 2, 1 and 2 make 3, and 2 and 3 make 5. That means both moms donated 532 pieces of fried chicken in all. I hope you got it too. Good job. Just a quick review. We used a unit to represent the value of 1, a rod to represent the value of 10, and a flat to represent the value of 100. And then we discussed that when adding numbers, we need to know the value of each digit. So for example, 348. The value of the digit 8 is 8. The value of 4 is 40, and the value of 3 is 300. Then lastly, we discussed 3 strategies in adding numbers. These are place value, expanded way, and number bonds. That's it. I hope you had fun while learning this lesson today. Great job, and thanks for watching. Stay safe and learn from home with Teacher Kareem. Till next time.